Welcome students on online class. In previous video we can study and we can find out wavelength of H gamma line. See here, wavelength of H gamma line, it will be 4356 angstrom unit, which is the wavelength of blue light or blue color of light. Hence, we can find out wavelength of red color of light, we can find out wavelength of green color of light, we can find out wavelength of blue color of light, because Balmer series will be visible. So here, if we can find out wavelength for H delta line, we know that Bohr's formula 1 upon lambda H delta is equal to R in bracket 1 upon P square minus 1 upon N square. H delta line is fourth line. So for fourth line, P is equal to 2 and N is equal to 6. So what happened? See here, if we can take 2 square, that is 1 upon R in bracket 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 36. If we can take cross multiplication, so here 36 minus 4 upon 4 multiplied by 36 into R. What happened? 32 upon 4 multiplied by 36 R, or 32 R upon 4 multiplied by 36. So 4 8 the 32 and 4 9 the 39. So 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. So here 1 upon lambda H delta is equal to 2R upon 9. If we can take reciprocal of this, so here lambda H delta is P is 9 upon 2R. That is equation number 4. We want to find wavelength of H gap delta line. So equation number 4 is obtained. We know that equation 1 will be lambda H alpha equal to 336 upon 5R and lambda H delta is equal to 9 upon 2R. If we can divide equation 4 by equation 1, what happens? Lambda H delta upon lambda H alpha is equal to 36 upon is equal to 9 upon 2R upon 36 upon 5R. If we use mathematical tools, that will be is equal to 9 upon 2R multiplied by 5R upon 36. Whatever, R get cancelled, 9 1 the 9 and 9 4 the 36. And see here 5 upon 8, and therefore lambda H delta is equal to 5 upon 8 multiplied by lambda H alpha, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 65 88 angstrom unit divided by 8. If we take logarithm, numerator characteristics will be 0 point and characteristics will be 3 point. So here for 50, logarithm will be 6990, and for 65 in 8 in mean difference, that will be 0.8187. Their addition will be 7, 17, 11 and here 15. 4.51 77, and denominator the logarithm will be 0.80. Here logarithm is 9031. So if we subtract 0.9031 from 7, 1 is subtracted, 6 is remaining. 3 is subtracted from 7, 4 is remaining. 0 is subtracted from 1, 1 is remaining. But here 15 is subtracted, 9 is subtracted from 15, 6 is remaining, and here minus 1 and 4 minus 1, 1 is subtracted from 4, it will be 3 remaining, and its antilog will be antilogarithm of 60.61, 4, 6 in mean difference. It will be 4.117 into 10 to the power 3, because here 3 will be correct. Here 3 will be there, and so that into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. If decimal shifting, so wavelength for H delta line, it will be 4170 angstrom unit, and so that wavelength for H delta line, it represents wavelength of violet color. Violet color of light. And so that a question, any question will be asked, we can solve any type of question. Like if H alpha is given, wavelength of H beta is given, wavelength of H gamma is given, or wavelength of H delta is given, then we can calculate wavelength of H alpha, wavelength of H beta, wavelength of H gamma, as well as wavelength of H delta. So here we can solve a numerical for these 4 lines in Balmer series. We can also determine the shortest wavelength in Balmer series. So here in Balmer series, we know that a series which is arise when electron or transition of electron from outer orbit to second inner orbit. But in shortest wavelength, for shortest wavelength, take P equal to 2, but N is equal to infinity. Using Bohr's formula, so here 1 upon lambda Balmer shortest, that is equal to R in bracket 1 upon P square minus 1 upon N square. If we can substitute the value of P and N, so here R in bracket 1 upon 2 square is 4 minus 1 upon infinity. So it is R upon 4, that is 1 upon lambda Balmer shortest. But if we take reciprocal, then lambda Balmer shortest is equal to 4 upon R. If we know that R is Rydberg constant, R having value 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 meter raised to minus 1 or per meter. So here we can find out if we substitute the value, so lambda Balmer shortest is equal to 4 upon 1.097 into 10 raised to 7. If 10 raised to 7 is taken as in numerator, so here we can find lambda Balmer shortest. What about 4 into, if we take reciprocal of 1.0 in 9 in mean difference 7. So its value will be 0.9146, and here if taken as numerator, so 10 raised to minus 7 meter. If we multiply 4 6 the 24, 2 is remaining, 4 4 the 16, that is 18, 1 is remaining, 4 1 the 4, 1 is adding, so 5, and 4 9 the 36, that is 3.6584 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. If we can shift the decimal point, that is 3658.4 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So wavelength of Balmer series or shortest wavelength of Balmer series, it will be 3658.4 angstrom unit. And we know that wavelength of longest wavelength of Balmer series, which is same as red color of light, that is 6588 angstrom unit, means Balmer series is visible, and in this visible the range of Balmer series, it will be 6588 to 3658.4, means the series is lies in this range. Means we know that when light is enter in prism, then different color of light is there, and in wave theory of light we study that different color of light is due to different color or different wavelength. Different wavelength gives different color of light. So here red color and violet color means minimum wavelength of light, that is violet color, and maximum wavelength of light, that is red color of light, in when light spectrum is obtained through a prism. Okay, so we can study in another video the three series, that is Paschen series, Freund series and bracket series. Okay, thank you.